Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace ignition switch key soul step by step. Start by disconnecting the negative battery and removing the lower dash panel to access the ignition switch. I'll walk you through removing the steering column covers, unplugging electrical connectors, and swapping the switch assembly. Stay patient and keep track of screws and clips, and test the new switch before reassembling everything. I'll offer tips to avoid common pitfalls and speed up the job safely. Remove the steering column covers carefully to expose the ignition switch and wiring harness beneath. Use trim tools to prevent scuffs and work slowly to release hidden clips and screws. As you remove each fastener, note its location and place it in a labeled container for reassembly ease. Check for any obstructing components like knee airbags or brackets and move them aside safely. This prepares the area for disconnecting the electrical connectors and swapping the switch assembly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more helpful repairs. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control. It keeps your garage clean while you work and responds to voice, which is oddly handy during messy installs. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to shop. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. With the covers off and connectors accessible, unplug the ignition switch wiring and remove the retaining bolts or clips. Gently slide the old switch assembly out and compare it to the replacement to confirm matching terminals and orientations. Insert the new switch carefully, secure it with the bolts or clips, and reconnect the wiring harness. Reconnect the battery temporarily to test key positions for accessory, start, and off before fully reassembling the covers and finalizing the installation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.